guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be working with some Nail Addict new gels, new colors that they just released at the beginning of May. But before I get into that, do you remember that a week ago I have a giveaway going on that was sponsored by Nail Addict to choose 8 gels of your own? So one lucky winner is going to be able to choose 8 gels from Nail Addict's website. Anyways, so it's time to pick that winner. So drum roll please, the winner is... Congratulations. Okay, so I'm going to reach out to you and send your information to Nail Addict LA so that you can claim your prize. I'm so excited. Thank you. Okay, so on to the video. So last video, the Nail Addict LA one, I did like some kind of summery vibes, kind of nail art, but this time I'm going to switch it up. It's still going to be summery, but because Nail Addict LA did like some purple, some blues, some pinks, I'm going to go for the mermaid vibes for this tutorial, so I hope you guys like it, so keep watching. Yeah, so before I start, Nail Addict LA, which I talked about in the intro, this is their California Dreamin' collection. There's actually more colors. There's a glittery purple and a bunch of different like mauve-y pinks. So there's these as well. I don't know if I'm going to use the pinks in this manicure. I think the blues and purples are more mermaid vibes. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm also going to introduce a glitter called The Girls Going Out. It is from the Pro Glitter Shop here in Houston, but they also sell online. Sierra's Nail Glitter World has these little gorgeous seashells. I might use these, I'm not sure. I might use the yellow ones to give it a pop of color. And then I also have this reel. I used it last year for a sea glass mani. If I don't use the Sierra's Nail Glitter World ones, I might use the tiny little gold shells. We shall see. So I'm just gonna kind of do that magic and we'll see. So I do want the middle to be blue. I know that much. So maybe I should work on that one first. Yeah, I'll do that. So this color is called Marina Del Rey. Oh, I love this color. It's a gorgeous blue. So I'm just going to apply it to the entire nail first and then cure that. And then I'll just add the glitter on top as like an ombre afterwards, after it's cured. Okay, here we go. All right, it's glitter time. I want to do glitter ombre magic. So I don't want too much. This is a very gorgeous blue. So let's see. I've never done a glitter ombre in gel, so I don't even know if this is how you would do it. Let's see if that cured. Yes, much better. I think it's because of the way I placed the lamp on the nail. That's not looking half bad, right? That is not looking half bad. I'm not so ashamed of myself. I'm digging it, I'm digging it. Alright, so I know you can hardly see that because my glove is so dark. It's not a perfect ombre, but you know, it's kind of there, it's kind of there. Alright, now that I've had a complete like glitter massacre over here, we're gonna massacre with some more glitter. How would I like to do this? I think I'm gonna put gel base on and then pick this up with my brush. That's what I'm gonna do. Where's my gel base coat? And I like that because the gel base and the gel top that I choose to do, whether it's builder gel or gel top coat, is basically going to remove any texture that the glitter gel gave. I like how that glitter just hits the light. I might just add one, just because. One of these is a little too much, but it's not the one on the side. Some of y'all might think that's not enough glitter. Actually, I might agree with you. Pure builder gel that I know is pretty thick and dries pretty shiny. I think I'm going to take some of that, encapsulate the whole nail, and before I cure, put on the gems that I want, like the jewels. Ooh! I really like working with gel polish and gel nail art and incorporating like different things like loose glitters and stuff like that and gems. Like, don't get me wrong, I love my dip powder, but I also like playing with art, and that's my thing. That's always been my thing, is finding ways to incorporate art into my manicure. So I'm going to probably put some gold in here, see which one I want. Oh, I really like this as my cat hair sticks to everything. I'm really liking this. It's very blingy batty, but I'm really liking that. I want to add like a little bit more of something else. Like I feel like some gems need to be added here. My builder gel is probably going to float away from me. So this color, I already forgot the name, is from Nail Addict. Sunset Boulevard is the name. I'm gonna put that on and then cure it in my lamp and then do some marble with a bunch of the colors that Nail Addict sent with their California Dreamin' collection. wrong colors, I don't know. And then I'm just going to grab it all, so. And then lay it down. And I can keep some purple popping through, or some of the base popping through. Okay, now I like that. I really like that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cure this. All right, so I do like how that turned out. That turned out better than I expected. I thought it was gonna be worse. So just so you guys can see, I really thought that was going to be worse, so maybe I'll replicate that. Yeah, I'm going to replicate that on this nail. Maybe I'll use a lighter pink, though, as the base. I have mad respect for gel polish artists. Mad respect. Like, an insane amount of respect. The work y'all do, because gel can be finicky if you do too thick of a layer. The art is more like, yeah, you have more time to work, but since it's such a fluid medium, it has more time, it like moves around, and sometimes that can suck. Now we're gonna do this again, just picking it up with my ombre brush. I hope you guys were able to see that. And then floating the design on. And kind of wiggling at the same time. Because I'm trying to cover up that pink. Kind of blending things in. I don't like how that turned out. I'll float some purple in between here. Great, and let's float some in by the cuticle area. We're getting there, we're almost done. So for the pinky, I do want to do, I'm going to do the purple and the blue. I think I'm going to do the solid. It's more like swirly down the center, and I'm okay with that. Okay, so I am trying to tie this into itself. So I'm trying to tie it into itself. So I am gonna bring out this glitter a little bit more. Not so much, not a lot. And pat the smaller pieces. I don't really want the larger pieces onto the blue area. They look like mermaid scales to me. Builder gel again from Kiara Sky. Float that on there. Thankfully, builder gel is like kind of self-leveling. This one is. And then I'm gonna do silver this time. So I'm gonna use this little gorgeous shell. These little itty bitty silver shells. Yes, I should have made those silver. Now that I'm looking back, I really like those. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cure this and then finish the thumb off camera and I'll be back. Okay, so this is the finished up look. If you stuck with me throughout this entire look, I just want to say thank you. I'm glad I did the giveaway winner in the beginning so that you guys didn't have to sit through the entire time. But seriously, like, this is very, very, like, intricate. Like, there's nail art going on every single nail. So, yeah. It's funny because I think these were the easiest ones to create because there's no rhyme or reason, whereas ombres, you want them to be kind of perfect. And then on the ombre ones, I did some kind of glitter design, so I tried to swivel the chunkier pieces. I did like the little side swoop and a little cluster right there. So I really like how this mani turned out. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below what you think about this design. Okay, I know that you've seen like all of this shit. I'm in the process of moving things around. I'm waiting for one thing to be delivered before I can get all of that mess kind of like squared away. But yeah, I guess you guys can like basically see. Let me move my ass out of the way. A sneak peek of what's happening here. I have so many Alex drawers, it's ridiculous. Like at this point, I'm never going to run out of storage because of how many Alex drawers I've acquired. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!